This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Spacious home located in Sikes Estates is close to the new United and restaurants. If you are looking for a family-friendly floor plan, this one fits. The living and dining areas are generous and perfect for entertaining. Ideally, the master bedroom is isolated for privacy and close to the kitchen for your morning coffee. All secondary bedrooms are located in a separate wing with a hall bath. The privacy fenced yard is great for kids/pets. Situated in a well-loved neighborhood, this home is a great buy. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.